Whether you're a first-time truck owner or a seasoned pro, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Tip number 1. Regular oil changes. This is one of the most important things you can do to keep your truck running smoothly. Make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. Not only will this help with the lifespan of your engine, but also it will help with fuel efficiency. Tip number 2. Check your tires. Proper tire pressure and tread depth are important for fuel efficiency, safety and handling. Check your tires regularly and rotate them every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. This will help to prolong the life of your tires and ensure that they are always at the best. Tip number 3. Keep an eye on your brakes. Brake pads, rotors and drums are important safety features and should be checked regularly. If your brakes are making strange noises or if you notice that your brake pedal is feeling spongy, it's a good idea to get them checked out. Tip number 4. Check your filters. Your air filter, oil filter, and fuel filter should all be checked and replaced regularly. A clogged filter can decrease your truck's performance and fuel efficiency. Tip number 5. Check your fluids. Keep an eye on your transmission, power steering, and coolant levels to make sure they are at the right levels. Low fluid levels can cause serious damage to your vehicle. Tip number 6. Check your battery. A weak battery can cause problems with starting your car and can drain your charging system. Make sure to check your battery regularly and replace it if it's weak or if it's more than 3 years older. Tip number 7. Regularly check your belts and hoses. These are important components that can wear out over time. Make sure to check them regularly and replace them if they are cracked or worn. Tip number 8. Regularly check your suspension. This is important for the handling and safety of your vehicle. Make sure to check your shocks, struts, and control arms to make sure they are in good condition. Tip number 9. Keep your vehicle clean. Regularly wash and wax your truck to protect the paint and remove dirt and grime that can cause damage. Not only will this help to keep your car looking good, but it will also help to protect the paint and prevent rust. Tip number 10. Keep an eye on your engine light. If your check engine light comes on, it's important to get it checked out as soon as possible. It could be a sign of a serious problem. By following these tips, you'll be able to keep your vehicle running at its best and keep yourself and your cargo safe on the road. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your truck running smoothly and efficiently. Well, that's it for today's video on truck maintenance. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your truck running smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this.